Wow, this board is fire.
It gets worse the further in you go.
Oh my. All right, guys, I've been seeing your comments. Get a board on Temu, get a board on Temu, get a board on Temu. And my question is, what in the world is Temu?
What is Temu?
I have no idea. Leave it in the comments below.
I don't know what it is.
I think it's like the same thing as Amazon, only it's not. It's Temu. And so we said, okay, let's go. Cheapest board on Temu. And this graphic is sick.
No way.
Yeah, sick. Give me one guess.
I have a feeling it's gonna say Temu on it.
Yeah, Temu.
Oh, I wish.
Up to 96% off for appliances.
There you go.
What is this? How is this not a scam?
That's what we thought.
How is this not a scam?
I didn't think any of this stuff was gonna show up. And now, in the office, I got tons of stuff from Temu.
I just got 100% off 3 items.
No way.
Yes.
I love Temu.
Hold on. Let me download the app now. See, this is how they suck you in.
No.
Shop like a billionaire.
This video is not, and I repeat, not, in all caps, not. Tell me this isn't fire graphic, though.
Holy sh! This game got nothing on Amazon.
It said 100% off 3 items. You know what's so funny?
What?
One of the students at my last Livermore skate camp had this board.
No way.
With different wheels.
Really?
Exact same board, different wheels. I'm pretty sure I can find a video of this board right now.
Yeah, see if you can find it. We need the reviews on there.
I'm trying to shop like a billionaire. That got me.
If you're watching this video right now, do not download Temu.
Come on.
Oh no! I literally just went to close it.
Broke it.
Zipper instantly broke off. But you know what's so fire though? Dang it. So next time she asks if I'm strapping, I'll say, you know what, ma'am?
I certainly am strapped.
Certainly am. Feel that? Look at that. I mean, they're too busy on Temu. I mean, did your skateboard come with a skateboard holder like that? No, it did not.
Absolutely not.
See if you can find it on there and find the reviews.
All right, I downloaded Temu. That better get my 3 free gifts. New user, I get 3 gifts. Hold up. All right, I'm finna sign up. Hey, I'm finna find the most expensive things on here. Pick 5.
I love
Your
that.
first pick will surely be free.
No way. They're giving you options.
Star Projector Galaxy.
Yeah, you need that. Just Star Projector Galaxy, please. The grip tape is just not stuck on there. It's just a giant air bubble.
It's basically like another Wish.
Yeah, Wish. Feel that. Feel that though. How gross is
What
that?
the? Ew.
But you know what's it? Watch this kickflip right here. Wow! This board is fire!
Oh!
I ain't gonna lie. This grip tape on fleek.
Absurd. Bro!
What?
I went from all normal items, and then it just got hectic real fast. Like,
It's because you stopped and looked at that thing.
it got hectic
You
real
clicked on it.
fast. I didn't even click on it.
Do not download Temu, do not pass go, do not collect $200.
Oh my God! It gets worse the further in you go.
Oh my!
Temu ruined my life. Okay, quick game of skate on this or what?
I'm so scared to finish this order on Temu.
That's what we said. Okay, when we were ordering these, Gabe orders all the stuff. He wouldn't put his own email. So then he put Derek's
Linked it
email.
to mine.
And then I see Derek like 3 days later, and this package comes, he goes, yeah, I was wondering why I kept getting all these emails from Temu.
Thought someone hacked me.
All right, Glow, get in here. He's hooked, bro. He's buying
Oh,
a,
he's on Temu. You're going last.
he's buying a vacuum.
Oh my gosh, this feels disgusting.
It's good, right? It's like disgusting, but in a good way.
Dude, it's built like that.
I know. It's the anti-concave.
You hear that?
Pop Cheverino. Yeah, get in here, Glow. You want this. It's like bad, but good.
It's so misleading, this board.
But then it seems bad, but then it's good, right? It's just like Temu. It seems like it's gonna be bad, and then the items arrive and in the expected time at a cheaper price than you thought. Hashtag Temu. Temu is paying me for every time I say Temu. Whoa, boy! Those bearings are trash.
I didn't expect it to flip that good.
I know, it does. It's shockingly good. I ain't mad at it. You know what I'm saying? twice. Primo twice in a row. This is the real test. And no, I'm not moving. And no, you don't got to either. All right. Oh! I almost took a unicorn in the bunghole. The gloss. It's because that door is open.
It flips so much better than it feels. Like,
Yeah, it does. Gentleman's game. Yeah! That was floating like you were floating into Temu.com. Ha! Right here for Temu, baby. Sheesh! This thing ain't breaking. It's Temu. Goodbye, Jeff Bezos. Temu has entered the chat because you're not ready for that Temu pop. Wow! Sickest burial flip I've ever seen. I almost broke my neck, my back, and my crack. Whoa! You gotta take the jacket off. Just take a look at these trucks. It looks so skinny. It looks like it's just gonna snap right at that point. But I mean, honestly, it's got risers. And you always know like a super cheap board because the hardware is extra small, but the graphic is extra tight. Seething. This girl is on fire. V-heel. Yeah, laser. What should I do? Take it easy on him? Straight for the jungular? All right, right here. Temu.net. Whoa! How did that even flip? It literally went like, flip it.
I'm gonna try this because it's my bad ankle and I know I can't roll it that way.
Oh, nollie flip?
Yeah.
Oh, do a fakie flip
I
then.
can't roll my foot that way.
Yeah, don't try that. Do a fakie flip. We give it to you.
I just gotta get back to the gym and get this ankle 100%.
All right, then this one's for Glow. 100. 100.
Broke the barrier.
It's done. It's done.
Bruh, are you
Both of them?
I've never seen anything like that.
We're all good. Punch it back in. We're still.
Bro, there's no bearings.
Literally
Where
gone.
did it go?
Literally gone.
Man, I wasn't trying to do Temu like this.
I knew we should have ordered off a Wish.
All right, leave in the comments Temu, Amazon, or Wish right now.
Wow!
It ain't stopping me.
You were shopping like a billionaire on that.
Nothing could stop me. Nothing.
They said, seethe it till the wheels fall off. Whoa!
So bad.
Look at this pivot cup. All right, here for Temu, for the Temu 3. Glow on the O.
That was one of the best nollie heels I've ever felt. Oh my god. How cool that felt. I felt like a champ. But it was on flag ground.
I think that counted.
Rumbles.
I think that counted, bro.
I felt like a true champion.
I think that was good. Now you got nollie heel. Easy. Yeah, it still got.
I was honestly looking forward to the comeback, bro. I was really about to come back.
He definitely was. He actually was about to come back.
I think we need to go round 2 with the most expensive on Temu now. My pop was solid though.
It was. It was very solid.
How much pressure do you think you had to put on for it to break?
Not much. Dang, that's hard.
Get out of here, what you told him.
That's impossible.
Y'all flicking straight down?
Yeah. Two! I had to sneeze. Ow! I had high hopes for Temu.
Yeah, I really did.
Wow, that's a piece of ply.
That's literally just plywood. They just laid it in plywood.
We didn't do a thumbnail. We hope you guys enjoyed the video. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you, yes you, learn to ride a skateboard. We got everything you need at BrailleSkateboarding.com.